What's up guys? In this video I will show you how to fix the issue where there is no sound through your headset even when you have plugged in your headset to your PS5. So basically I newly got this gaming headset over here for me to be able to play games on my PS5, but I noticed that it does not work even when I connect the headphone jack over here to my PlayStation 5. Now there are basically two causes of this problem and I'll be showing you how to fix it right away. And for the first method, you want to head over to the settings of your PS5. So just navigate to the settings icon at the top over here. And then you want to scroll down until you get to the sound settings at the bottom over here. Select sound. Now under audio output, you want to select that option, and then once you get to output devices, you want to go ahead and select that. And then go ahead and plug in your headset to your PS5. Now, once you plug it, you're going to see the option to select headphones connected to controller. You want to make sure that this particular option is what is selected and not the HDMI device. But if after plugging your headset to your PS5 it still does not show up on your PS5, then it means that the problem might just be from your headset and your PS5 is not being able to recognize the headset. If it is able to recognize the headset but you're still not getting any audio or sound from your headset, basically what you want to do is to come back to the sound settings, and then you just want to scroll down to where you have volume over here, select that option, and then make sure that the headphones volume option is actually at the maximum. So just go ahead and select that if it is low, and then just go ahead and increase it and make sure that it is actually at the maximum. Another thing you want to do is to come over to the audio output settings over here, and then you just want to scroll down until you get to outputs to headphones, and then select that particular option and make sure that it is set to all audio and not voice chat audio. And after trying this, trust me, the audio from your PS5 will start coming through your headset. But if this solution does still not work out for you, another thing you can actually do is to just go ahead and remove your headset cable from your PS5, and then you just want to make sure you clean up this headphone port on your PS5 controller. You can go ahead and use any dry clothes or just blow air into it to clean up the dust, because sometimes that might actually be the problem. And then the last thing you want to do again is to turn over to the back of your PS5 controller, and then you want to go ahead and get a pin or a needle and then just insert it inside of this little hole at the back of your PS5 controller. Now this will actually reset your PS5 controller, but trust me, it might actually fix the problem where the audio does not come through your headset when plugged into your PS5. So I'll just go ahead and press and hold for like 5 seconds, and after the 5 seconds you can now see that the DualSense controller has been disconnected. Now you want to go ahead and pair it back with your PS5. So you want to just press on the PlayStation button and the pair button over here for 5 seconds. At this point, you want to go ahead and get your headset cable again and then just connect it to the controller just like so. Make sure it is firmly connected to your controller. Then you want to go ahead and try listening to the audio from your headset. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.